Hey guys, welcome back. I'm just gonna quickly go over the differences. Hopefully you've seen by now my unboxing of the brand new MagSafe wallet. This is the 2021 version with built-in Find My in the golden brown. Unfortunately, they discontinued the California poppy color, which is sad because I like this color a little better. But this is I believe the 2019 version. They did not have Find My back then, so if I lost it, I have no way of really finding it, except remembering, and who wants to remember things these days? But yeah, so I cleaned it up, and I just wanted to show you a quick side-by-side comparison, and just my 2 pence on what I think. So as I said, I missed the color of the original one. The California Poppy, the 2012 edition, let's see if I can zoom in on this real quick. It's actually interesting because the logo, I think, was laser etched on the initial one, but on the new one, it's actually debossed, which kind of gives it a smoother feeling on the leather. It's a brighter color. It went well with my blue iPhone 12X Max, which I got right here, and I got it because it contrasted well on it, so I thought it looked really good. You see I'm not sure if this will zoom in on there, right there. How do I? Oh, okay, let's see. Yeah, so I got this double stitching that you might have seen. Nice faint leather. You can see the laser etching on it in the Apple logo, but it's a single surface, which is pretty nice. You can see my nasty nails again. And then let's see here. It's a little dirty, but lovely stitching. I didn't get wear and tear in the actual jeans of my pocket. Let's zoom out a little bit. There you go. You can see some actual wear on the edges. But yeah, it's a nice contrast to the blue. You'll see an unboxing in a later video of my iPhone 13 Pro Max in the graphite. I didn't like how light the blue was this year. I like the deeper blue, and so I just went with the graphite black. It just looks cool. And actually the desert, I think it's called desert orange. This color actually does go better with the graphite than it does with the blue. So, or with this color blue. So I'm happy about that, but I'll show you that in a later video. And the new one with Find My, they're actually the exact same thicknesses. Not sure if you can tell that. Nothing's really changed, except this is more of a deboss than laser etching. Let me back up and zoom in there. Yeah, much of a deboss. I'm trying to zoom in because it's supposed to have the macro lens, but it's not kicking in when you record, which is unfortunate. I'll have to play with that later and see what's up. Same stitching on these new ones. Come on, focus, buddy. You can do it. There you go. You see a nice double stitched, high quality on the leather, on the edges, all the way around, even on the back, which is nice. Double side. I say with double stitch, I mean they go over once one way, and I think they sear it and then go back, which is it gives it a nice close, so it's not gonna like come loose anytime soon. I haven't had that issue. Only issue as I've had is in my pocket, the edges will rub the most, and that's where the color comes off. You can see it a little bit there, and the color kind of wears. Yeah. But yeah, aside from that, they're both nice leather material. They both are pretty much weighing the same kind of feel to it. This one is actually less grainy from what I can tell. If you can actually see, there's less grains in this one. I'm not a leather expert, but that's just what it kind of feels like. I do like the deboss of the logo because you can feel it on your finger. And they have the same material mesh on the inside that the cards slide up against when they're in there, so you're not wearing and tearing your cards as you swipe them out of there. So, but yeah, that's my 2 cents on those. I'm gonna go ahead and put my cards back in this one so you can see a nice little contrast in there. You can just swipe that in and out. Pretty smooth, I like it. I use 3 cards. You could probably fit a 4th if you wanted to. The leather will stretch over time. But I think 3 cards is pretty safe. I got my MasterCard, my Amex, and my ID for anywhere I need to go, assuming that they don't take Apple Pay already. But yeah, thanks for watching. That was my 2 cents on the 2 different Apple MagSafe wallets. This is the California Poppy, the old version. This is the new version with Find My, the Desert Brown. And this is my iPhone 12 Pro Max in the blue that unfortunately they don't have anymore. They only have the light color, but oh well. Stay tuned for further videos if you want. Like, subscribe. There's a bell somewhere you're supposed to hit, I think. So yeah, have fun with that. And we will talk to you soon. Thanks.